guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am very excited because I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy bags for the month of July. So they sent me this huge box and I can't wait to unbox it and show you guys all the goodies that the month of July brings. So if you guys don't know what Ipsy is a beauty subscription box. They have the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size beauty products. And the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size beauty items. And it's always amazing products that are skincare, makeup, tools like brushes, hair care stuff. So it's a really amazing products, different brands and different things that is always nice to receive and to know a little bit more about them. Okay, so enough talking and let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so here's the box and it looks like it's a lot of amazing goodies. I can't wait to see everything. One important thing to note is that I don't have the prices of any of these items or like a description of what they are, so I'm just gonna read what I see of the product. So first of all, I do have a card with the theme for this month, which is Stay Golden, Ipsy Stay Golden. And then it says here, welcome to your July Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. We've packed them with products for gold medal worthy beauty moments, from gleaming skin to gilded eye looks and more. Plus, there's an extra special gift from us to you, a custom, I'm not gonna read what it is. I'm not gonna show you that and wait till I unbox it to show you what it says here because it's really cool. I'm so excited. Okay, first of all, let me show you the bags for this month. So here's the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is the string bag. It's a really pretty eye. And it's blue and it says Stay Golden with the blue strings, and then the bag itself is beige and like golden details, which is gorgeous. I love that. So let me show you also real quick the Ipsy Glam Bag for this month, which is like a gold tone as well, gold color. It says here Stay Golden, and it's a really pretty blue detail right here. It's a really nice design of the bag. And then the inside, it's baby blue. So let's go ahead and take out the stuff that I have, I think, inside the Ipsy Glam Bag, so you guys see what this month brings. And then we're gonna go ahead and show you guys all the stuff that it's like dispersed around this box. Okay, so first I have here, this is from the brand Hip Dot. Let's see what this is. It says Red Moon. It doesn't say what it is, so let's open and see. So it's this a really pretty pink shade. So I'm guessing this is either a blush, like a mini blush, or a shadow, like a single shadow. Let me swatch this so you guys can see it. It's a really nice pink, like baby pink color. I hope you guys can see it there with all the lights. So here it is, the color. It's really light, but it's like really pretty. I think you could use it for both, even if it's like a single shadow for the eyes. You can even use it for a blush. So that's nice to have 2 in 1. Okay, so next product we have here is from the brand Artist Couture, and it's the Silky Lip Oil. So it's right here. It's a pretty pink shade of lip oil, and it says that the name is Delicious. So I'm excited to try this. I've actually tried eyeshadow palettes from Artist Couture and it's really pigmented, so I'm excited to see how this oil is. Now, next product we have here, it's from the brand Nomad. So this is an intense eyeshadow. It's a single eyeshadow, and I guess the name is Eres el Mundo. So that's a really pretty name. In English, it means you are the world. It's a really mini size. This is like the cutest thing ever. So let's open and see the shade. Whoa, it's a really pretty golden shimmer. So it's a nice gold shadow. So maybe we could pair both of these and create like an interesting look. So I'm excited for that. This is super cool. Let me do a little swatch so you guys can see it. It's a really pigmented golden color. It's really nice and shimmery. Next, we have this Kat Von D Cake Pencil. It says that it's an intensely rich long wear eyeliner. So I have actually tried this before. I think I actually have the full size version of this. So this will probably go to my giveaway pile. And lastly, from the Glam Bag, it's the First A Beauty Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. And it says that it's oil free. Okay? So I really like that it says that it's oil free, so that you guys that are like oily can also use this product. Now that's it for that. Now let's see of all the stuff that are dispersed here in the box. Okay, the first thing I have here, which I have tried before and I love, is from Refreshments, which is an additional subscription that Ipsy has. I'm not sure if it's monthly or how exactly it works, but I believe you pay an additional $5 and it's like some essential products that you need. For example, this is the Pillowy Shave Cream. It's the citrus spirits, and they have razors, they have body wash, they have deodorant, they have like different things, wipes, makeup wipes. So it's pretty cool to have. And for an additional $5, you can get this for stuff that you actually need. And yeah, so I tried this cream before. It smells amazing and it leaves your skin so smooth after shave. Next, we have this 3 brush kits from the brand MODA Cosmetics, and they are golden, just like the theme. Let's see the 3 of them, what type of brushes they are. So the handle is gorgeous gold. So now here we have the Get Cheeky with it. So this is an angle brush, so this is perfect for that contour or bronzer, and it feels like really soft, and I love the handle. It's really pretty. Next we have the Super Mold Sculpt. So this is an interesting brush. I think this could be used for the powder, like setting powder under your eyes maybe, so that's cool. And finally we have the Golden Gem Bronzer. Okay, so you're gonna apply bronzer with this, even like blush or like all over pressed powder maybe, or translucent powder. So that's awesome. Next we have from the brand Wonder Beauty, and this is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and it says that it comes in 6 pairs. They are 6 pairs that come individually like this, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. The fact that they send so many different eye masks is just incredible. Now, next product is from the brand Dr. Eve Riot. This is the limited edition Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. It's always amazing to get a vitamin C in your skincare routine. Now, the next product I have here is from the brand Briogeo, which is an amazing brand for hair care. This is the Superfoods Avocado plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. So now the next and I think final product is from Il Makiage, and this is the Black Card Lift, Curl and Lengthen Mascara. Okay, so it's all white mascara. It's very sleek design. Now the final thing, super cool, is it says Au Soleil and Ipsy, and I think this is like a cover up for when you go to the beach, like a bikini, when you have your bikini, like a cover up for the bottom. Okay, so as you can see in the image right here, this is super gorgeous, and it's so amazing that Ipsy did this. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending all of these amazing products and this super cute gift. I appreciate it so much. So the actual fabric feels really good. Like it's a beachy fabric, like a cover up. It's like this. It's a really pretty beige color, and I can't wait to try it. Let me see if I can show you guys. So it will probably go like this. You guys have to do like a knot around here, something like that, or like a dress, like one of those dresses that you put and it goes here, something like that. Or like you could use like a bunch of different things, or like this. You could like do many things. I've seen like people do incredible things with this type of cover-ups. So let's see the card that it comes with. This is the card. So this is what it's meant for. As you can see, it's a woman in the beach, and with this as the bottom cover up, and it says that we hope you love this Au Soleil and Ipsy serum as much as we loved creating it. This grew out of a desire to make a chic, wearable cover up for any adventure under the sun. We believe our serums can elevate any beach look while making you feel comfortable and confident at the same time. Happy stunning, and it says that PS enjoy 15% off with code Ipsy IPSY through the end of July. So you guys want to shop, you can go ahead and use that discount code. It says that it's made it with love in California, 100% cotton gauzy. It says wash, cool, hang dry only. And then the website is ausoleilserums.com. So that is just incredible. I adore this month, all the products and the special gift that Ipsy sent to us creators. Thank you so much, Ipsy, again for sending all of this. I appreciate it so much. And thank you guys for your continued support, for watching my videos, for following me on Instagram. I appreciate all your support. And thanks again for watching this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!